Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm sure everybody's noticed I haven't been around. You all know everything that happened with Meg. I may get into that in the future and let you know what actually happened. We're still going through recovery and therapy and everything else with that. I wound up getting sick on Christmas Day. That was 2 weeks ago. Today's Friday, what, the 5th? 6th? I don't even know what the date is of the new year. This is the first day I can actually speak without coughing my brains out. I had COVID, bronchitis, sinus infection, the whole 9 yards. It's just miserable. If you've never had it, I don't recommend it. Let's put it that way. I've been out of work, obviously. I haven't had the energy to do anything. Like I said, I couldn't even do anything without coughing. It was miserable. So it's still there. So it's just difficult. I had to go outside for a little bit, get some fresh air. Luckily, Meg didn't catch it. But then again, Meg had COVID back before her incident, back in whatever that was, the very end of October, very beginning of November. So maybe this is the same strain, and maybe that's why she didn't get it. I don't know. Couldn't tell you. So, but I'm on the mend. Hopefully, today's Friday. Hopefully, I should be able to get back in to the garage. I'm thinking maybe Sunday, because I'm actually feeling much better. Fever's gone, all that other stuff. But yeah, so maybe I can get in the garage and do a little something. I have an idea of something I want to do and show you in regards to oil consumption and checking your oil the right way. Anyway, that's it. Thank you to everyone that reached out to me. Well wishes and stuff like that. Some of you knew what was going on. I try to stay as private as possible, obviously. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you guys had a great day. Keep wrenching.